In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert table of figures in WPS Office. By the end, you'll know how to label your images properly, place the table exactly where you want it, insert a clean, professional table of figures, and keep it updated as your document evolves. First, we need to add captions to your figures. Captions are the labels that WPS uses to build the table automatically. So this step is essential. Click on a figure or image in your document to select it. Go to the References tab at the top, then choose Insert Caption. In the dialog that appears, pick a label such as figure, table, or chart, depending on what you're labeling. This label controls the numbering and how items will appear in the final list. Click OK to apply it. You'll see the caption appear with an automatic number. Repeat this for every figure you want included. Keep your labels consistent. If you want only figures in your list, use the figure label for all relevant images. If you've previously typed descriptions below images by hand, replace those with proper captions using insert captions so they're recognized. Next, decide where the table of figures should go. Click to place your cursor where you want it inserted, typically near the front of the document after the title page or at the end in an appendix. The cursor position is exactly where the table will be created, so choose a clear, logical spot. Now it's time to insert the table. Return to the References tab and click Insert Table of Figures. In the options, select the caption label you want to include, for example, figure. This ensures only items with that label appear in the list. Choose a format or style that matches your document's look so the table feels integrated. Check the preview to confirm spacing and alignment, then click OK. WPS will generate a neatly formatted table of figures with entries and page numbers based on your captions. Finally, keep the table up to date as you edit. If you add, delete, or move figures, right-click the table of figures and select Update field. You'll be asked whether to update page numbers only or update the entire table. Use page numbers only if the captions themselves haven't changed and you just shifted content. Choose entire table if you added or removed captions or changed any labels so the list fully refreshes. That's it. Add captions, place your cursor, insert the table, and update when needed. Save your document to lock in the changes and you'll have a reliable professional table of figures in WPS